台湾心看世界，美国总统川普和这个目色较好的媒体记者发言讲，伊正手乌青，而且一地佫真大地，连伊这时西装裤甲深色袜啊，拢看会出来，川普的脚敢若灌水。啊，即马白宫证实讲，经过检查后，川普有完成静脉功能不全的镜头。英国发言人嘛强调讲，总统无心脏，也是其他全身疾病，请外界莫烦恼。
徛伫咧白宫发言人理会着边仔的美国总统川普，看伫咧讲关税协议。这个时阵，副目睭进来记者看到川普正手有擦砍斑果甲乌青所在砍体，就伫咧外国媒体 C-SPAN 十7号公布这段独家画面，网友就开始伫咧小找川普的相片影片，嘛讲这块擦砍斑果的婚纱已经穿40码。
Some eagle-eyed Americans noticed swelling in his ankles and bruising on his right hand that he appeared to try to cover up with makeup.
个人发现川普的脚流啊真青，白宫即马嘛证实是因为川普破病啊。
And revealed chronic venous insufficiency, a benign and common condition, particularly in individuals over the age of 70.
专家解说，当静脉将会倒头流到心脏的功能出现问题的时，就造成慢性静脉功能不全。这种镜头常在发生伫咧脚部的所在。
Obviously, encouraging the person, in this case the president, to walk around as much as possible sitting. That tends to be something that can make this venous insufficiency worse. The doctors commented on this as well and said basically this looks like it is primarily irritation to his hand, maybe due to lots of handshaking, on top of the fact that he takes aspirin as a blood thinner.
李维调强调，除了脚腿以外，川普无血塌或者是动脉、心脏、腰子问题，非身躯性的疾病。不过，打过79岁川普，即马传出身体各样，嘛搁一摆互外界对美国总统在年会之前感觉自信被迫。
你好，我是宋彦明。想掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶紧订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。